Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to check your battery health on iPhone. First thing you have to do is just go open your settings, and while you're here you just need to scrolling down until you found the battery sections right here. So you just need to click it. Whenever you open it, they will be bring you into the several options over the battery things, and you just need to check one by one. If you want to have the battery percentage, they will be on the top rows. If you want to activate the low power mode, they will be in second rows. And how about the battery health? You just need to take a look on this line. There will be a battery health and charging, so you just need to click them. So battery health actually the conditions of your battery recently. So the maximum capacity or the best quality of the battery could be 100, but then the quality will be decreased as long as you use the phone for daily. So you can see now I have been using this phone for about a years, and the battery health now is decreased to 80%. So that is the way how to check your battery health on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.